Welcome to Learn Regex by Making a Form Validator, an autism-friendly tutorial that walks you through how to use regular expressions in a real-world project. We'll build a form validator from scratch. No fast talk, no assumptions, just calm, clear instruction. We'll break this into 6 easy parts. Let's start with step 1, setting up your project. Start by creating a new folder named regex-form-validator. Inside it, add 3 files, an HTML file, a CSS file, and a JavaScript file. Then open the folder in your code editor. I'll be using VS Code. Here's our HTML file. It has 2 input fields, one for email, one for password. We're using the onchange attribute to trigger validation when the user finishes typing. We also include our script.js and style.css files via the script and link tags, respectively. Next, we define 2 regular expression patterns in our script.js file. The email regex checks for something like user@example.com. The password regex checks for at least 8 characters, including 1 uppercase letter and 1 number. This check validity function handles the actual check. It tests the input's value and either clears or applies the invalid input class based on whether the pattern matches. Now we link each input to a handler function. The email handler uses the email pattern, and the password handler uses the password pattern. Both use our check validity function to apply the logic. To make validation visible, in styles.css, we style invalid inputs with a red background. In this visual, I'm going to demonstrate the form in Chrome. I'll start by inputting an invalid email so you can see the email field change to red. Then I'll correct it so you can see the field change back. I'll then input an invalid password and show you what password I'm inputting so you can see the password field change to red. Then I'll change the password to a valid one so you can see the field change back. If this kind of direct, autism-friendly tutorial is helpful, subscribing is a great way to find your way back here. And if you got your form working or have a question, drop it in the comments. You can support my work through PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App, all linked below.